I've got video evidence over
here. You were close.
Did you turn it off or did it just fade out? Did. Yeah, come on around. Come on around. Just let it cruise. Let it cruise. Hit the gear there. Okay. Hold it. Speed brakes. Speed brakes.
Oh, Brian, come on.
There we go.
Good job. Good job. Wow. Hey, what you just witnessed was a dead stick on a giant scale jet. The turbine cut out, and pilot and spotter / crew chief managed to save it. So, outstanding job by Brian O'Meara and Wayne, his spotter / crew chief. So, okay, my heart kind of stopped there a bit too. So, any event, hey, we're looking at a very rare F-84 Thunderstreak. The plane itself was actually made in, I believe, the Netherlands. And Brian had it imported over and had it finished up. So we're at the Las Vegas Classics and Warbirds scale event 2019. Many more videos to come from this event, which is turning out to be a bit of a jet event. Blue skies, happy landings, fair winds from Las Vegas.